Hello my people, welcome back again. Today I'll be showing how to make braided hearts in hair. Please subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials. Subscribe, drop a comment, and please like my videos. Let's get right into today's video. To start, I will give the hair a round cut. I'll be putting the heart pattern by the side of the hair. Give it a round cut down to the hair teddy. As you can see, I'm making sure the cut is straight and clean. After I'm satisfied with my round cut, I'm going to divide the hair into two. As you can see, as I'm doing in this video, I'm going to divide it into two. After that, I'm going to part each halves from the middle. One half, I'll part it from the middle. I'm starting the weave from the middle. Just watch what I'm doing right now. I part it from the middle and I'm going to start the weaving from the middle. I'm done with the first half. Now I'm going to do the second half. I'm going to do the same thing for the second half. I'm going to part from the middle and I start my weave from the middle and join it with the remaining part. So with these few steps, we have gotten our heart-shaped pattern. So if you can follow it well, you'll get your heart-shaped pattern. I hope you enjoy videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, for more tutorials on how to make hair. Don't forget to subscribe. Please drop a comment and thumbs up also. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.